Hi friends, welcome to Android series. Today we are going to see in how many ways we can implement the button. Basically in three ways we can implement. As of now we covered only the one way. Remaining two ways how to implement we'll see in this section. Let me open Android Studio. Let me quickly create a new project. Took an empty activity and I will give my this is my source path, and we can give application name as a button demo 1. Okay, button demos I'm giving, this is the name. Even my application name also I will give the same thing. Okay, and finish. It will take some time. Wait, still my process is running. Yeah, now it is created. Go for the resource layout files, click activity underscore the main. As of now I'm deleting my hello world here. Just we can drag one button. There is a button, click here, one button here. Okay, if you want to apply this button has magic constraint, click here. It will apply automatic for your constraints. Okay, so let me quickly go to main activity. This is our activity file. Okay, and the one way is first I will declare a button. What I will do first, this is one more way to implement the button functionality. So what we done, let init variable. So I need to initialize the button, right? So I need to define a variable name for my button. What I've given as a some login btn. I'm giving some name, I'm giving for this id. I need to access this button. Okay, so login button I'm giving, so just define a variable. Okay, I need to create I need to fetch the id, right? So how I need to get it? By using find view by id or dot id dot login button. Okay, so the one way is just you can click login button. There is a set on click listener. If you see here, set on click listener, it will accepting as a lambda expression. Internally there is a method will be there. So what I will do, just I will print some log statement. Okay, so here you can use log t. It will create a tag. I want to debug the value, right? Log d debug. So you can say we can say button clicked using button clicked, we can say using lambda. This is one functionality. Okay, and one more way also we can define. If you want to see the locket, this is our locket. Let me quickly connect my mobile, give me a minute. If you want you can run in your emulator also. Just I am using my mobile. My mobile connected. So this is one way of writing your button functionality. Okay, so let me run my application. Just you can search by using this message in your log statement. Okay, just you can write here whenever you click the button. Okay, when I click the button, are you able to see here the button clicked using the lambda? This is one way, and there is one more way is there. What I can do is I will create one more activity. No, I will use the same activity. We'll create one more button here. Okay, go for the design ones. What I will do, I will create one more button. For this button I will use as a register, register, register functionality. Okay, and one more button also I will drag here. One more button. Okay, so overall 3 buttons we created. This one will make it as a what we call click me. Just I'm giving some click me message. Okay, sorry, this is a id, right? Click me btn I'm giving. This is I'm giving as a register btn, and we can give the names also if you need here. Just we can give this is click me btn, same here, click me. And this is which text? This is a register button, and we have this is a login button. I hope if you see the design, we have a 3 buttons. Just I'm applying the I'm applying the magic constraint, so all buttons are created. Register, click me, login. When I click the register button, in which functionality we already gone through one functionality now. Okay, now what I will do, implements, there is no need. This is a Kotlin, right? You use the comma, and there is a view component will be there. In this view, all our UI components will be there. Basically, this is the parent class. Inside this view, I have a method on click listener. If you see the on click listener, if you implement, it will be throw an exception. Go and implement my method, implement members. If you click here, okay. On click method is execute. If you override this method, one more functionality you can use. What I will do, if there is a v is there, right, that will define a variable name as a view. This is one more way I'm defining view dot id. This means it will give some id to you, and this id should be equal to r dot id dot, either it should be a login button is already done, click me button, I'm using this button, and I'm giving, in order to overcome the null exception, we can do question marks. And what I will do, copy and paste it here. This is which one, click me button using on click listener. I hope this is clear. This is one more way you can implement. Okay, and we'll design one more way also, register. If you go for that XML, where is our registration button? This is our registration button. Inside this registration button, if you type on click, you can provide your own method. Whatever method you want to define, you can define. What I will do as a register. Okay, so you need to define that method inside your class. If you click here in the left side corner, it's showing the red color bulb, so you can go and create the object. If you go for code, main activity, see your register method is created. Either you can use the on click method, either you can do this one, anything is fine. Okay, now here what I will do, you can use a register button. Okay, we'll go and run. I will show you one thing. This on click method won't execute for you. Why? Because I will explain. Let me show my mobile device. Okay, we'll change to text message, register button using custom method. Anyway, you can any approach you can apply, there is no issue at all. Just what I will do, I will go for the main activity, I will type this message. Okay, now again let me run the application. Now it is executed. See, now I'm click the register button. See, register button using custom method. When I see click me method is not working. If you see the login button clicked using lambda. Okay, now why happening is, whenever you click the on click, you need to pass the current object, then only it will be executed. So what I will do, I will create one more button with click me, CLICK. Okay, for this click me method, I will create one more click me button. Okay, here if you see click me, you can use set on click listener. You need to pass this. If you pass as a current object, then it will be execute over this method. Just go and run your application now, we'll see. You can go and check the logcat also. A main activity I'm giving. So what I will do, click me. See, click me button using on click laser. The recommended approach is by using the lambda. Whenever your functionality is completed, better you can use the lambda expression is the best approach. It's depend on use case. See, if I have a button, if you want to do a multiple functionalities, if you take example as a calculator, okay, whenever you're using the equal to, 0, plus, 1, lot of buttons will be there, but one click you need to perform all the operations. So by that time, if you have a multiple buttons, by using the switch case, you can write the switch case here. If you have a 5 buttons, if you want to perform, okay, you do this one. If I create one more button, you do this one. That way you can develop the button functionality in these ways. I hope you guys are clear. We'll see in the next section. Thank you guys.